Hey people, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this video, I'll show you how to fix gaming on Facebook. So, can't see the gaming option in this list in this navigation bar. So for this, you have to go for your profile and go for settings. Scroll down, click on navigation bar, click on customize the bar, and you can see this is the list of this shortcut. So you can see the game is hidden. Just go for it, and you can go for auto or you can go for pin. So now if I go for back and just clear all these things and go for again, you have to just wait for uh, an hour and after that the gaming option will appear in this navigation bar. So yeah, that's it. Hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.